Now we're going to continue on to fifth grade standards using the numbers and operations with fractions standards. These will ask students to use equivalent fractions as a strategy to add and subtract fractions. So there are two different standards here. The first standard, 5NFA1, asks students to add and subtract fractions with unlike denominators, which includes mixed numbers, by replacing the fractions that they're given with equivalent fractions so that they can do the operation. You can't add or subtract two completely different fractions with different denominators. So we need to get students to recognize when, okay, I can add this or I can't add this, and the same goes for subtraction in terms of fractions. The second part of this is really just an extension of those skills that they learn in the first. It's just presented in a different way. So instead of saying 2/3 plus 5/4 is what? Now, in the second standard, we're saying Kelsey ate 2/3 of her popcorn at the movies, and Jessica ate 5/4 of her popcorn at the movies. So, how much popcorn is left between the two of them? It's word problems, essentially. We are taking this skill and presenting it in a word problem so that students have to pick out the important pieces of information, decide what the operation is, and model it or give us an equation and solve.